Hey everyone, welcome to my channel The Certain Girl Vlog. This is Devesh Srivastava. Jai Mata Di to everyone. So आज का vlog I'll be telling you and helping you the top 5 air conditioners all over the India. So आइए जानते हैं so that you can get the clear focus while purchasing it. So here we come and here we go. The first AC I will tell you that is the LG 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC. The model number is KSQ18YNZA. This is the LG 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split copper convertible 4-in-1 cooling AC which is in white in color. आपको white color में ये available होगा. इसका price after discount which you will get 17,000 discounted जो है 17,000 डिस्काउंट के बाद you will get the final price of 42,990 with the free delivery के साथ. So इसके specifications मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. That is crafted with care and it is designed keeping your choice and requirement in mind. So this is very hassle-free usage. So it's happy to use if you want to purchase. Now I'll talk about the second position, that is the Daikin, which is 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC. Model number is FTKF50TV. So the Daikin 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC आपको मिलेगा copper, that is the anti microbial filter 2018 model FTKGB50TV वाइट कलर में. सो ये डिस्काउंटेड के बाद द डिस्काउंट रेट जो आपको डिस्काउंट मिला है दैट इज़ दी 12,510 का. सो आपको फाइनली इसका जो प्राइस दैट आफ्टर डिस्काउंटेड पड़ेगा दैट विल बी 42,890. सो दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली अ फ्री डिलीवरी आपके घर तक की. एंड द स्पेसिफिकेशंस मैं आपको थोड़ी बहुत बता देती हूँ. दिस इज़ अ स्प्लिट एसी विद इन्वर्टर कंप्रेसर, वेरिएबल स्पीड कंप्रेसर विच एडजस्ट करेगा आपका पावर डिपेंडिंग ऑन हीट लोड. जो हीट लोड की जो पावर होती है उसमें कंप्रेसर होता है जिसको वो एडजस्ट अपने आप कर लेगा. सो इट इज़ मोस्ट एनर्जी एफिशिएंट एंड हैज़ लोवेस्ट नॉइज ऑपरेशन. So this is something बहुत इसमें ज़्यादा आवाज़ नहीं है. That is something very lowest noise. Okay, that is coming with the 1.5 ton. Energy rating इसकी है 5 star. This is a 5 star है ये. Annual energy consumption as per energy label. ठीक है, that is somewhere around 824 units. So manufacturer warranty जो इसके साथ आएगी that is a 1-year warranty, 1 year on condenser, 5 years on PCB warranty and 10 years on compressor. And copper condenser coil, so better cooling and requires low maintenance. Stabilizer inside econo mode, indoor unit quiet operation, Quanta airflow, power chill operation, and the refrigerant gas which is R32, so no ozone depletion potential. इसमें ITU dimension भी है that is 88.5, ODU dimension which is 84.5 and IDU which is 11 kgs and ODU weight which is 36 kgs. So this is an indoor unit, outdoor unit and remote control, user manual and warranty card that is available along with this AC. That is the Daikin 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC. Model number again FTK50TV. Now in the third position I'll talk about the higher, that is 1.5 ton 5-star triple inverter plus split AC. The model number is HSU19C TFW5B. Higher 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC जो है copper high density filter 2020 model HSU19C TFW5B inverter white color. So ये आपको जो discounted rate के बाद आपको पड़ेगा that is the 38,600 with free delivery. Now I'll be talking about the specification. Split AC with self-clean technology, which automatically cleans the evaporator of this AC. Capacity इसकी है 1.5 ton, suitable for medium-sized room up to 150 square feet. Energy rating is 5 star. Annual energy consumption which is 880 kWh. So warranty इसके साथ आपको मिलेगी the 1 year on product comprehensive, 12 years on compressor with gas charging. Terms and conditions apply. The AC comes with 100% proved copper that gives better cooling and requires low maintenance. Special features: this AC comes with self-clean technology, triple inverter, 60 Celsius cooling at extreme temperature, hyper PCB and up to 15 meter long air throw, refrigerant gas which is R32 that is environmental friendly with no ozone depletion potential, IDU net dimension which is 1008 into 225 into 318. The included components are one indoor unit, one outdoor unit, interconnecting pipe, one remote, 3 manuals and 1 warranty card. So that's all about the higher 1.5 ton 5-star triple inverter plus split AC. Model number again HSU19C TFW5B. After discounted you will get on 38,600 with free delivery. Now I'll be talking about the fourth part, which is Blue Star 1.5 ton 4.75 star split AC, model number BI IC51ADBTU. Blue Star 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC, that is copper. Again, the model number IC518DBTU, which is auto adjustable, 2020 model and white in color, which will come up on the price of 63,000 after the discounting of 21,000. Okay, so split AC की specifications मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. That is a split AC with inverter compressor from the boardroom to bedroom. Blue Star new 5-star DBTU inverter, split air conditioner, add a touch of luxury to your surrounding and delivers fastest cooling with the maximum energy saving. 1.5 tons suitable for 120 to 170 square feet. Energy rating है इसकी 5-star. Annual energy consumption as per energy label 856.63 units. Manufacturer warranty 1 year on product, 1 year on condenser and 10 years on compressor. Copper condenser coil, better cooling and require low maintenance. Special features: inverter, dust filter, dehumidifier, refrigerant gas which is R32, environmental friendly, no ozone depletion potential. Included in the box, जो box के अंदर आपको मिलेगा for split AC, indoor unit, outdoor unit, remote control, user manual and the warranty card. This is all about the Blue Star 1.5 ton 4.5 star split AC. Again the model number B1 IC51ADBTU, which will come up in the range of 63,000. Now I'll be talking about the fifth, the last, not the least, Samsung 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC, model number AR18AY5YAWK. Samsung 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC, which is in copper and white. So the split AC with inverter compressor, variable speed compressor which adjusts power depending on heat load. It is most energy efficient and has lowest noise operation. Capacity इसकी है 1.5 T, energy rating है 5-star and warranty इसके साथ जो आपको मिलेगी that is 1 year on product, 5 year on condenser, and 10 years on compressor. इसकी कॉपर कंडेंसर कॉइल होगी and the better cooling and requires low maintenance. So that is all about the Samsung 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC. मॉडल नंबर मैं आपको फिर एक बार बता देती हूँ. That is the AR18 AY5YAWK. इसका प्राइस that you will get after discount, that is a 55,990, which is with the free delivery again. And this is all about the Samsung AC. Hope you enjoyed all the information about the 5 top ACs in India. This is all about the topmost 5 AC in India. So all the discounted price I'll be going to drop down in the description box. आप वहाँ से चेक कर सकते हैं. Make your happy purchase. सारे discounted price link मैं दोबारा आपको बता रही हूँ description box में मैं वहाँ शेयर करूँगी. So you can easily get through and make your happy purchase. Thank you. Just stay with me.